guys, so today we have a new vlog, and today's vlog, guys, if you are searching or looking for as a cheaper solution of your continuous light, we have this Godox SL100 series. We have the SL100D, which is stand for daylight, and we have also the SL100BI or BI, which is bicolor. So meaning this is daylight, and the other one bicolor, meaning from the Kelvin, from daylight to tungsten. Yeah. So again, we will try and I will demonstrate the quality of this SL100D. But again, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that we will upload regarding photo, video, and tutorial for photography. So, without further ado, let's start. First, we have this SL100D. Again, it's a daylight. And the SL100BI, which is bicolor. It's a Bowen's mount. And yeah, 100 watts. Let's try. I will not do an open. We have an open piece, demo piece. I will try direct. And we'll see the result to the camera. From the camera. Again, sorry. From the camera. So we'll do a test with our background here. So let's start. So this is the Godox 100D, yeah, and this is the Godox SL100BI or bicolor. Again, they have similar size, uh, same size, and let's do a test. So let's try to test these both lights. Hello guys, so again, let's try to open the SL100D. Uh, oh, it's too much bright, guys, the SL100T. So we will try to put a softbox because we're using only the reflector, the standard reflector. But we're gonna use a 50 by 70 softbox. So let's try. So now we have the softbox, but still it's 100 watts. I think it's okay. We make it move backwards the lights, then forwards and make the aperture higher. So let's do an F11, I believe. It's F11. So we're at F11 with the softbox. So yeah, this will be the light. So it's still, we're gonna make ISO down. Okay. Okay. Now, so we have the this one, the Godox SL100D daylight and 100% power. And again, with the softbox 50 by 70. Yeah, so this is the quality of the lights. Again, I'm using f11 already on my camera, which is the Canon EOS R50 with the shutter of 1/50 and ISO 100. So this is the quality, guys, of the lights. So what if you put some um, RGB lights for your background? It's perfect. So and now let's try to use which the SL100BI, which is the bicolor. So let's go. So guys, this is the same settings from the camera. 1:50 shutter, f11 with ISO 400 with the SL100BI or the bicolor. I'm using the daylight, which is 5,500 Kelvin and 100% power. So let's try to use the tungsten. And now we're gonna use the tungsten. So tungsten is 2,800 Kelvin with 100% power. So let's try. And this is the Kelvin, which is 2,800 Kelvin or the tungsten. So this is the quality of the light, 100% for the power. So yeah. So this is the Godox SL100 Pi. So again, guys, just compare and again, these two Godox SL series is it's more affordable compared for other series. And again, guys, so if you want to purchase or if you are planning to buy a continuous light for your videography and even for your photography, check this light, the Godox SL100D and SL100BI. So yeah, you can use for your photography and for your videography. So at least, yeah, you will save more money for uh, for your photography. Tama ba? And so this is the quality of the SL100 Di, and yeah, we're using our Canon R50, and yeah. So if you are thinking to purchase a light, check this light, the Godox SL100Bi and the Godox SL100D. So yan. Remember, I'm using f11 on my aperture of my camera. So yeah, I think that's it for today. Again, if you want to know more about our products from Godox, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So all the Godox is already in our website, from Godox lights, speed lights, ano pa, modifiers, name it guys, we have all the Godox product in our website. So ayan, hanggang dito na lang guys. Again, www.abworld.com. Yan. Again, flex time. First, I want to flex PBK 2.0 na si Robert Palabo FW, si Brian Puntanar at si Julius. Ayan, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.